Okay, so Caitlin already has her foundation on and concealer and powder and brows, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Shay Mitchell has a really smoky eye look on, so we're going to do her eye look first, and then we'll go on to her bronzer and highlight. First thing, we're just going to prime her eyelids with a crappy-ass primer. JK, it's just e.l.f., but I don't feel like taking out my other one. I'm just blending this in her eyes. I'm also blending this. Open your eye.
Watery.
Look up.
My eyes are so watery.
It's fine. I'm blending this under her lower lash line because Shay Mitchell does have eyeshadow under her lower lash line. Up. Close. Okay. Once I primer on, I'm going to apply base. And Shay Mitchell has a very smoky eye look on, and I'm going to be applying a black base. And I know this seems really crazy, but once we blend it out and everything, you'll understand. Sure. I'm kind of just applying this in the center. I'm not going in her inner corner or outer corner, because I'm going to be blending this out with a brush and kind of smudging it a little bit. This, by the way, is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, if you're wondering. I'm sure they have other black. I'm going to smudge it out with this end of my Naked 2 brush. You can kind of blend it a little bit into the crease. Don't go above the crease. Try not to get it in the inner corner, but blend out that part. And you can blend it out to the outer corner. Right now it's going to be super messy. It's fine. It's going to be super messy right now, but don't worry because we will be putting eyeshadow over it, and this is just our base. So now I'm going to be applying tape because she does have a pretty defined eyeshadow edge. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of tape to her outer eyes. You know, Scotch tape, any tape you have. No duct tape, please. We're trying to be safe here. Okay. So Shay Mitchell has a smoky eye, but around it she has a really nice blendable brown color around it. So I'm just going to start in my Naked 1 palette. Okay, I'm taking Buck. It's a matte brown color. I'm just taking this pretty lightly. Close your eye. And I'm just going to kind of blend this in the crease above the brown color. You can go a little bit on the brow bone, but this is really going to make everything kind of blend together in the end. And you can definitely see some brown mixed in with her black smoky eye. So I'm just kind of blending this into the crease and a little on the brow bone. I'm going to kind of smoke a little bit of black, not too much, over the black. I'm taking black out in the Naked 2 palette. Yeah. I'm taking the Naked 2 brush, double-sided, and just a little bit. You literally just want to like tap it a little bit and just kind of apply that over it. At this point, you can put it a little bit more into the inner corner just because you're not like smoking it in there, rather just placing it. Over her black smoky eye, she has a really pretty gold shimmer. So I'm going into the Stila palette, and I'm taking the color, what is this color? The color Lame. Okay, it's this like golden, pretty yellowy color from the Stila palette. You just take any like gold color. You can use Half Baked. You can use I don't know. The one in the Naked 2 palette. What's it called? Chopper. That could work too. But I'm going to use this one because I really like how shimmery this is. This one right here. It's like a yellowy golden color. And I'm just placing this right on the center of her lid, and then we'll blend it out in a little bit. And I'm just kind of tapping this because I don't want a bunch of fallout. Okay, now I'm taking the other side of the brush, which I used with the black, and kind of just blending very lightly, because if you blend too much, you'll take away the gold, but it's mostly a black smoky eye, so I'm just going to blend that gold in with the black that we already have on the lid. Okay, and also I'm going to take a teeny bit more black and just smoke it out on the outer corners, just so it is like a true smoky eye, to make that really defined shape once we take the tape off. now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the really thin side. You want a really thin shader brush, and I'm going to take the black. You can skip this part if you want, but this is what Shay Mitchell has, and put it on the lower lash line. Actually, I'm going to take the tape off first just so I can get all the way to her outer corner. So at this point, I'm going to take the tape off. Okay, I'm tapping into Blackout by Naked 2 and just applying this. She has actually a pretty, it's not super thin. It's actually really smoked out, so we'll smoke it out a little bit, but you can do what you I'm taking my Maybelline Define line. I'm actually going to draw a little bit, just to make it a teeny bit more dramatic, because she is really dramatic. This is an ebony black, if you're wondering. And I'm going to smoke it out. The good thing about this eyeliner, don't look it because it looks a little crazy. You can look if you want. Is that this has a smudger on the other side, so it's really easy to smudge out. I'm going to apply a little bit more brown, of this brown color, to her above the black, which is Buck again. I'm just taking Buck. Applying this pretty much to her brow bone, like, except for not, like, right to the brow. This is going to blend out the black, diminish any harsh lines. I'm going to take Naked 3 palette. Same kind of flat shader brush, taking Strange from the Naked 3 palette, the white color, very lightly, just applying this under her brow. Shay doesn't look like she has eyeliner on, except for obviously on her lower lash line. So I'm actually going to skip it and just go to mascara, and then we'll go to her highlight and contour. Okay, so she curled her lashes, and now I'm going to have her apply mascara just because she knows her face better than I do. Okay, now we're gonna go to her face. So she has a really bronzed and highlighted face. BH Cosmetics. It is the it's for the Forever Nude Sculpt and Glow palette. It has a contour, a bronzer, a blush, and 2 highlights. So I'm gonna take this dark bronze color. I'm going to be taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Her highlight is very extreme, especially when she takes pictures. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty. I'm going to take the brush. You don't have to do that.
No.
Look up, though, because I don't want to get this in your eyes. I'm just applying this to the top of her cheekbones. It's very shimmery, very pretty. She has a very muted plum. Okay, you want to apply chapstick. I would have applied chapsticks to her lips anyway first because this is a little bit too dark, but I'm applying this color right here. This is a CoverGirl in the color Rich 295. I love these lipsticks. So I'm going to kind of, I'm not going to like rub it on her lips, I'm more going to like tap it a little, kind of rub. Okay, that's sounding awkward and uncomfortable. The finished makeup look. Face, turn side view, side profile, look down. Beautiful. Get closer.
Oh my god, I look like a white Asian ghost. Okay.
Wow,
you can't even see.
We need to get like a prop.
No.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Ish. I think I need to switch sides with you. Do you do a voiceover or nah?
No.
Ooh, I don't have the products. I'm so unprepared. Kind of go like this. Look at me. Like lift your eyebrows. Yeah.
Panda.
I'm not. I'm not.
Yeah, panda.
I'm not really. You know your eyes are like a little open when you sleep. Okay.
No, they aren't. That's
they-
what everyone says, but
They
they're
are.
not.
Accent on it.
What are you looking at?
This color.
That says kitten.
Oh, that color. So, close your eye, bitch. No,
Ow.
sorry.
Look up.
No, like look up.
Oh.
Like. Okay. Crazy. Look, I lost the picture. I'll find it. Going to take blah 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 blah. Remove your mascara.
Why do you curl my eyelashes?
No, you don't. Do you? Go curl them.
Can I use my own?
No. Germ.
Weird.
No, put this part on your. Yeah.
I cannot do this.
Yes, you can.
We should have
Turn.
tried my new one.
Oh, should we? Go get it.
It's under my bed. It's in the box.
Box.
The mailbox.
The mailbox. Oh.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. I want blush.
This is not your makeup. This is
Fine.
Shay Mitchell's makeup. I'm taking. Oh, go like, go like this. Go. I can't even do it. Go.
It shows up on the camera as like a berry.
Yeah, that's okay. Will you let me?
I should my hair.
Woo! Okay, wait. Let's make this a separate video.